guys. This is about 11:15 on the 16th. I'm heading to a circuit session in Sushant. But I believe in you, okay? I believe in you. विश्वास है मुझे, hope है, थोड़ी हिम्मत है. Alright, I gotta drive now. Hey guys, it's been a rush morning because I woke up, then I had a medical test, so some blood samples had to be given. I'm getting a lot of tests done this year, so this is part of my whole effort to kind of fix my diet completely. Not diet, fix my health completely. So some blood samples had to be given. Mamta came in. If you don't know, Mamta is my house help. I say Mamta a lot, once a day, a few times a day. So circuit is done. It's a very busy, active day today because I've registered for something called Parking ST or whatever. There's an event on 23rd and there's a simulation for that today. So that's at 3. So I have to go to Spartan Fitness in Sector 66 for that. Got done with circuit, I have to go for that. I'll eat something in the meantime. Busy day, alright? Try to be happy. I'll catch you guys. This is a market in Sector 43 Gurgaon. It's called RF Portico. There's a Chayos here. Then there's a gym is here. I came to the gym. The gym cult is here. It's an interesting market. It's a small market. It's in Sector 43 Gurgaon. And these are some of the stores. It's called RF Portico, as you can see. These are some of the stores here. There's Kannu Ki Chai. And there's Cult, there's Salon, there's a bunch of stuff here. Right, it's an interesting place. Like Sushant Lok is a more buzzier place than Sector 56. A lot of students, population lives here. I used to also live here for 2 years, 2015 to 17. I don't live here anymore, but I know this area well because I lived here for 2 years. Yeah, that's the market. You can check it out sometime. So I've come to this gym called Spartan Fitness in Sector 66 Gurgaon. Apparently the membership is about a lakh rupees a year, which is significantly higher than the membership of Cult. Cult is about 20,000 rupees a year and it's about 1 lakh rupees a year. I still can't understand why. Basically the simulation that I had to come to for the Peak ST event is happening here. So I'm waiting for the simulation to start, but I don't get what the fuss is all about. I don't understand luxury, guys. I'm gonna break it down in comedy. Luxury makes no sense to me. The whole idea of luxury is all it's all a fucking facade. It's a joke. Hey guys, I've been killing myself today. Like, this is what I've been wearing since morning. I went to circuit at 11 to 12:30. Then I came back home. I had some food. Then after that, at 2:30, I headed to Spartan Fitness, where they had a simulation for the Peak ST event on the 23rd. So I'm doing it with a friend of mine, Aditya, and we did it as a team. I think we did pretty well. So there was a 200-meter run followed by push-ups, then 200-meter run followed by sit-ups, then 200-meter run followed by burpees, then 200-meter run. Right, and I think we did well. We lost some points because the machine that was tracking all the reps and the especially the reps kind of fucked up. So some of my push-ups, even Aditya's push-ups and my mountain climbers, they didn't get registered. But I think overall we did well as a team. So I think we're doing the eventual event on the 23rd, and I'm looking forward to how we do there. But since it was a continuous back-to-back event, it tested my endurance over a period of about 15 minutes. The actual event is about 30 minutes. Oof, it's hard, alright, it's fucking hard, but do fucking hard. You know, when I was coming out of the mall, left at Spartan, the lift was going upstairs or whatever, downstairs, and there were a bunch of people there for shopping. Obviously, it is a mall, and they were dressed up and all, and I was in my vest and shorts and colorful socks. And when I walked out, I heard a girl giggle, right? She laughed. Had I been someone who was very conscious of what people thought of him, I would care. But what this tattoo says over there, it says in Hindi, do I care? It says, do I care? Do I fucking care? I don't. I don't give a damn. I don't fucking care, right? Besides really 4 people, right? Mummy, Papa, my sister and my brother-in-law. These 4 people, because between 2024 to 26 and like my parents and sister, like all my life, they've been standing like a fucking rock. And I've had a very topsy-turvy life. They've had a hard life having me in their family. So do I care about what they say? Yes. But for the rest of the people, rest of the world and that girl, I don't fucking give a damn. Alright guys, I've had enough of you. No, actually, you had enough of me. So why don't you go and do something meaningful today? Hi guys, this is Amarwani. And I just want to say that I know I have this channel. The problem is video editing is a very slow process in comedy, okay? It's something audiences don't know about, right? It's a tedious process, right? So 2 of my stand-up videos are being edited right now. There's a bit on Gurgaon and there's a bit on Raveena Tandon. 2 very related bits. Alright, so they are being edited right now. The Gurgaon one is pretty close to completion, so hopefully by next week I should be able to release it sometime. Then the Raveena Tandon bit will happen after that. Alright, then I'll keep creating videos, keep posting. Alright, keep laughing, keep smiling. Alright, your smiles and laughter matter to me, okay? They matter to me. I mean, I do this shit because it adds meaning to my life. I want to make people laugh. It adds a lot of meaning to my life. Alright, the purpose of my life is to make the world a warm, inspired and happy place. Alright, that's what I'm on. Alright, so videos will keep coming. Even if I have to sell myself to create videos. Alright, so they'll keep coming. Alright, stay subscribed and please stay happy. Alright, please stay happy. I'll catch you in a bit.
तो उसका जो एनआरपी होता है वो या फिर ऑफर उसको क्या करते हो?
Alright guys, this is show time. The show started. There's Muskan on stage. You can't see because there's a fucking khamba. There's a khamba, right? She's there, that corner right now. She's talking to her. So that's the last stop for the day. It's been a really hectic day for me. Running all over the city. जितना कल का दिन सीडेंटरी था, घर पे रहा मैं उतनी आज भागदौड़ हो गई. फिर लोग बैठे हुए हंस रहे, आ रहे थे हंसने. So मुस्कान दिखी नहीं रही, वो कोने में खड़ी, वो कोने नहीं दिखी, बाहर से निकल गया. Hey guys, I think you've had enough of me today. But that's the end of the day review. I'm almost done with the day. I just came back from the 2 shows tonight. Both shows happened 8 and 10 p.m. Good audiences, both shows. The audience in the 10 p.m. show is more enthusiastic than the audience in 8 p.m. show, but overall good audience in both shows. So happy with the shows, happy with the fucking workouts today. I literally killed myself today with like 1.5 hours workout at Cult, the circuit. After that, the simulation at Spartan. So literally killed myself. So I'll be working on a lot of shit tomorrow. Like I'll take the day tomorrow, like physically, hopefully. I don't know. I don't trust myself, frankly. Because I tell myself that I'll go light on myself physically, but I don't generally do it. I should have taken an off one day of the week. I didn't take even one single off. So I don't trust myself when I say that. So fine, whatever. So we'll see. But a lot of work. I'll be definitely launching the happiness stuff this coming week. Definitely. I fucking promise. Alright, so then a couple of videos are being edited. So one video should be out hopefully next week. Stand-up videos. Alright, so thanks for watching. Thanks for listening to all the gyan, all the drama that I do on these stories. and this is all part of my vlog. But thank you. This is Amarwani signing off for the night. Good night. Take care. Bye.